Hey YouTubers, thanks for tuning back into another episode. If you follow me on social media, I alluded that there is a triple header tonight. So I'm headed over here in the Project S10 to Raw Performance. We've got a B16 EG, we've got a B20 four-door Integra, and then we've got a surprise candidate that you guys have not seen on the channel, which is an Integra that has a naturally aspirated built B-Series. So should be a lot of fun. I'm doing a bit of an intro here on the road because I'm running behind. I had to work late. So enjoy the live action tonight. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and roll the intro and get this party started. B16, so this car is going to be for sale too.
Yeah, sure did. It popped on me whenever it hit cut.
Johnny, mid-full.
No.
Right where it should be. 346.
So guys, Blake's B16 EG, it's completely stock bottom in. It was actually a rebuild for like an NA non-boost setup. On 9 pounds, no boost controller, made $348. So I believe this car is going to be for sale. If it's something you're interested in, make sure to shoot me a DM on Instagram, SethChurchVID, and we're going to go ahead and move on to number 2.
We didn't dyno it like that, did we?
Yep.
Yeah,
I
gutted
that shit on there.
I gutted the cat and cut the muffler off of it. That's as far as I got.
Yeah, they still have a piece of pipe this big on the back of it.
I brought it back like it was like 2000.
We heard.
Third year is real.
You gonna sell it now?
No.
I'm telling you, dude, that's just
Oh no!
fucking
Oh, whenever he's coming up through there, I looked at the wheel. I was like, third gear's eating.
Down stock now.
So guys, you've seen this car before on the channel. It's a stock B20. It's had a little love recently. It's got a new clutch, a full 3-inch exhaust, new studs, head gasket. So we're just doing a retune tonight and get it back on the road.
Because it bogs the idle bin.
Every one full turn, so.
Oh, Lord.
guys, I'm back here at the house. The last car wasn't able to be fully dynoed because our wideband sensor ended up malfunctioning, but overall, pretty successful evening. The stock B16 made some good power. The stock B20 made some good jams. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video up until this point. Make sure to like, leave me a comment if you got any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.